Political heat is at a peak in Telangana, but so is the physical heat. With temperatures upwards of 40 degrees to 45 degrees this week and getting hotter, most candidates are taking an afternoon break.
Intense heat wave conditions here in Telangana with temperatures hovering 41 degrees to 45 degrees, and a yellow alert has already been issued for several districts of Telangana, and an orange alert has been issued for the first 2 days of May. In fact, in multiple districts, at least in 13 districts, temperatures are almost 45 degrees and more. The roadside vendors, people who are earning their livelihood through their sales on the road, they are someone who are exposed to the heat as well.
Those out in the sun have little choice but to bear the heat and keep their cool, whether it's a roadside vendor or a politician.
ఎందుకు ఆపుతున్నారు?
ఎండ కొడుతుంది సార్, ఎండకు వీట్ అయ్యి పనులే ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది సార్, బద్దకరం అవుతుంది, చెమటలు వస్తాయి, బట్టలు నానిపోతాయి సార్, ఇబ్బంది అయ్యి ఆగుతుంది. కొన్ని వాటర్ ఏడు ఉంటే వాడు ఆగి తాగి వీళ్ళు బండి నడుపుతారు సార్.
हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा है हम धूप में क्या करना भी करना पड़ता है। ऐसा कि पानी का थोड़ा ठंडा करके पीते बैठे रहते, गिरा का रख देते वैसा।
इतने धूप में कैसे कैंपेनिंग करने वाले हैं आप, क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा जो कड़ी धूप है अब इस सीजन में होने वाला है 4th फेस्ट से पहले।
अभी देश का सेवा करना है, पार्टी का सेवा करना है, पार्टी जीतना है तो बिल्कुल मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, जनता का आशीर्वाद लेना पड़ेगा, उसमें दो रास्ता नहीं है।
With yellow and orange alerts issued by the IMD, politicians have little choice but to play it cool and make the best of the mornings and evenings. In Bengal, the temperature could go to 44 degrees as heat wave-like conditions prevail over South Bengal, and that is bound to affect voter turnout. Both Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee have mentioned the impact of the heat in many political rallies. At Berhampur in West Bengal, the temperature was 43 degrees. The candidate here is a respected doctor who says it will affect the voter turnout. He says he is advising supporters and the public on how to avoid heat strokes.
If heat is running like this, definitely turnout will be affected. Some people will go in the morning and they will give after 10 o'clock the polling will be good, and after 10 it will be down, and after 4-5 then it will start again increasing.
Voters, however, say they will come out to vote.
না ভোট অবশ্যই দেওয়া উচিত, ভোট আমাদের গণতন্ত্র, অবশ্যই ভোট দেওয়া উচিত, ভোট প্রত্যেকটা মানুষই ভোট দেওয়া উচিত, নিজের নিজের ভোট নিজে নিজেই দিন।
সকালের দিকে যাব, গিয়ে দিব, নয় বিকালের দিকে ভোট দিতেই হবে।
হ্যাঁ নিশ্চয়ই পারবো না, কেন ভোট দিতে যেতে হবে, ভোট দিতেই হবে, ভোট গরম হলেও ভোট দিতে হবে।
It is well over 40 degrees, 43 degrees to be precise in the afternoon in places that are going to vote in the next phases. And politicians, political parties and candidates are worried about the impact of this scorching heat on voter turnout. With camera person GD Shankar in Berhampur, West Bengal, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.